Hello students. Next theorem. Let E mapping B raised to M to B raised to N be a group code. The minimum distance of E is the minimum weight of a non-zero code word. Proof. Let delta be the minimum distance. Delta be the minimum distance of the group code E of the group code E. Suppose xy belongs to B raised to n such that delta of xy equal to delta. Here delta is the minimum distance of the group code E, means delta is the minimum of all the weight of the code words. Suppose xy belongs to B raised to n such that delta of xy equal to delta and x is not equal to y. Let w be the minimum weight, w be the minimum weight of a non-zero code word, let w equal to mod z for some z, and z is a non-zero code word. First we compute x ring sum y. It is a non-zero code word. It is a non-zero code word. Because if x is identity and y is a non-zero code word, then x ring sum y, we get a non-zero code word. That's why it is a non-zero code word. Therefore, delta equal to delta of xy, and delta of xy is nothing but the mod of x ring sum y, means weight of x ring sum y, and delta is a minimum distance of the group code E. Also, w is the minimum weight of a non-zero code word, means weight of x ring sum y is must be greater equal w. Give as equation number 1. On the other hand, w equal to mod z, means weight of z, which is equal to weight of z ring sum 0. Weight of ring sum z and 0 is delta of z0, and delta of z0 is greater equal delta, because delta is the minimum. That means delta of z0 is must be equal to delta or greater than delta. Give as equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we get delta greater equal w and w greater equal delta. Delta greater equal w and w greater equal delta, which implies delta equal to w. Delta equal to w means delta is the minimum distance of E and w is the weight of non-zero code word, and these two are equal, means the minimum distance of E is the minimum weight of a non-zero code word. That is, minimum distance of E is the minimum weight of a non-zero code word. Hence prove the theorem. Hence here we prove the theorem. Next example. On the basis of this theorem, the minimum distance of E is the minimum weight of a non-zero code word. For E mapping B raised to 3 to B raised to 6, 36 encoding function, find the minimum distance. E of 0 0 0 equal to 0 0 0 0 0 6 times. E of 0 1 equal to 0 0 1 1 0 0. Similarly here we Give E of 0 1 0, E of 0 1 1, E of 1 0 0, E of 1 0 1, E of 1 1 0, E of 3 times 1. By definition of minimum distance, solution, by definition of minimum distance, we require to find 28 distances, out of which we choose minimum as minimum distance, out of which we choose minimum as minimum distances, minimum as minimum distance. To avoid this calculation, we apply above theorem. Here we apply above theorem means previous theorem. We observe weight of each non-zero code word. First, to observe, we calculate weight of each non-zero code word. To find weight of each non-zero code word. Here non-zero code word is, this is the zero code word. Neglect this. These are nothing but the non-zero code words. So weight of E001 equal to total number of ones are nothing but the 2. So 2. Similarly, calculate weight of E of 010 equal to 3. Weight of E of 010 equal to 3. Sorry, first here we calculate this, so not need. Weight of E of 0 1 1 equal to 5. Weight of E of 100 equal to 3. Weight of E of 101 equal to 3. Weight of E of 110 equal to 4. Weight of E of 111 equal to 4. Note, the minimum weight is in between this is nothing but the 2. Therefore, minimum weight is 2. Hence, the minimum distance of E is 2. Hence, the minimum distance of E is 2. Next, generation of group code. Some results on the Boolean matrices. Let B equal to 0 1. First, addition table 0 1 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 2, and 2 nothing but the 0. Under modulo 2, Boolean product of P is 0 1 0 1 multiplication 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. Now we compute the Boolean product of following matrices 1 1 0 0 1 1, star means multiplication 1 0 1 1 0 1. Multiply these two matrix, we get 2 1 1 2, which is equal to 2 is 0 0 1 1, 2 is 0 under modulo 2. Next, addition of two Boolean matrices 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. ring sum 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1. Take the addition of these two matrices in usual way, 1 plus 1 0 plus 1 1 plus 0 1 plus 1. Similarly for second and third row we get 0 1 plus 1 2 means 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 2 means 0. Similarly for second and third matrix, second and third row we get 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0. Next theorem, let D and E be a M by P Boolean matrices and let F be a P by N Boolean matrix. Then D ring sum E star F equal to D star F ring sum E star F. This is nothing but the distributive property for ring sum and star. D ring sum E star F means D star F ring sum E star F, distributive property. Next, parity check matrix. Let M less than N. M less than N means first EH mapping B raised to M to B raised to N and M is less than M, and R equal to N minus M, N minus M, and N by R Boolean matrix H equal to H11, H12, H1R, H21, H22 and so on H2R and so on, HM1, HM2 and so on HMR. Next, identity matrix 1 0 and so on 0 0 1 and so on 0 0 0 and so on 1, whose last R rows are from the R by R identity matrix. This is nothing but the R by R identity matrix, is called a parity check matrix. Using matrix H, we define an encoding function EH mapping B raised to M to B raised to N. If B equal to B1, B2 and so on Bm, X equal to EH of B equal to B1, B2 and so on Bm, X1, X2 and so on Xr, where X1 equal to B1 H11 plus B2 H21 plus and so on plus Bm HM1, B1 H11 plus B2 H21 and so on Bm HM1. X2 equal to B1 H12 plus B2 H22 plus and so on plus Bm HM2. Similarly, Xr equal to B1 H1R plus B2 H2R plus and so on plus Bm HMR. Next theorem, let X equal to Y1 Y2 and so on Ym, X1 X2 and so on Xr belongs to B raised to N, then X star H equal to 0 if and only if X equal to EH of B for some B belongs to B raised to M. Next, corollary, EH of B raised to M equal to set of EH of B such that B belongs to B raised to M is a subgroup of B raised to N. This theorem we will use in next two examples. Next example, determine the group code EH mapping B2 to B5 where given parity check matrix is H equal to 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here 5 minus 2 equal to 3, which is nothing but the small r, means the last 3 by 3 matrix is identity matrix and these values are nothing but the H11, H12, H13, H21, H22, H23. First, B2 equal to B2 containing 2 raised to 2 elements means 4 number of elements. B2 is 2 copies of B means 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Here we determine the images. Here we determine images of EH of 0, 0, EH of 1, 0, EH of 0, 1, EH of 1, 1, and these are nothing but the code words. First, EH of 0, 0 is nothing but the by the definition. EH of B equal to B1, B2 and so on, BM, X1, X2 and so on, XR. Here R equal to 5 minus 2 equal to 3 and B equal to B1, B2 means EH of 0, 0 equal to EH of B1, B2 equal to B1, B2, X1, X2, X3 means EH of 0, 0 equal to 0, 0, X1, X2, X3 and X1, X2, X3 how to calculate X1 equal to B1 H11 plus B2 H21 plus and so on plus BM HM1 means X1 equal to B1 is 0, H1 is 1, H11 is 1 and H2 1 is 0 means 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0. Similarly X2 equal to 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1. X3 equal to 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1. This is the identity matrix and these are the values of H11, H12, H13, H21, H22, H23. Therefore, we get X1 equal to 0, X2 equal to 0, X3 equal to 0, which implies EH of 0, 0 equal to 0, 0, X1 is 0, X2 0, X3 0. To find next three images, we see following important formulation for given matrix H. We know that the image of each element of B2 under EH is a code word, that is B1, B2, X1, X2, X3 star H equal to 0. B1, B2, X1, X2, X3 star H is given matrix 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Next 3 by 3 identity matrix equal to 0. Star means multiplication. We get three equations. B1 plus X1 equal to 0. Next equation, first row second column, B1 plus B2 plus X2 equal to 0. And third equation, first row third column, B2 plus X3 equal to 0. Which implies X1 equal to minus B1 and minus 1 in Z2 is plus 1. So, X1 equal to B1. Similarly, X2 equal to minus B1 plus B2 equal to B1 plus B2. Minus 1 in Z2 is plus 1 and X3 equal to minus B2 means B2. Therefore, EH of 0, 1 equal to, first write 0, 1, next X1, X2, X3 is, X1 is B1, here B1 is 0, X2 is B1 plus B2, B1 is 0, B2 is 1, B1 plus B2 1, X3 is B2 1, means EH of 0, 1 equal to 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, EH of 1, 0 equal to 1, 0, X1 is B1, X2 is B1 plus B2, X3 is B2. Next, EH of 1, 1 equal to 1, 1, X1 is B1, X2 is B1 plus B2, 1 plus 1, 2, which is 0, and X3 is B2, 1. These are nothing but the code words. Therefore, the group code The group code is first identity element, next 01011, 10110, 11101. Here we stop.